Okay, so here we have an equation. It's basically a quadratic trinomial. It will end up being that. It's 2x plus 3, and then in the other bracket 3x minus 4. So what we need to look at doing is one of two things, which are exactly the same. We can either do some crab claws, and we do that by FOIL. Alright, and FOIL is basically looking at the first, what have I done there? The first, get out of that, give me some pen, there it is, first, outside, inside, and last. So what does that actually look like? We're taking the first term in each of the brackets, first with the first, outside with the outside, inside with the inside, and last with the last, and as you can see, that is obviously looking a bit like a crab claw. So the first one we're going to do, so it's this one here, is first with the first. So we need to look at saying, well, 2 times 3 gives us a value of 6, and an x times an x is an x squared there. Done the first. The outside one is looking at 2x and all of this, which is the negative 4. So I need to look at thinking, okay, well 2 times 4, 2x rather, times 4 is 8x, and this is actually a positive number. This one here, we can see that it's clearly a negative. So 2 times negative 4, a positive and a negative, gives us a negative 8. Outside, done. Inside, we'll go with some yellow. We're looking at this one with this one. These are the two inside terms, I suppose you could look at. So we have 3 times 3. And that, of course, or 3 times 3x is positive, and a positive gives us 9x. I'll just fix that one. There it is. Give me a sec. I will change that one. Make it a bit proper. Plus, that's better. And then, done. And the last one, which colour haven't I used? I haven't used blue yet. We'll go with blue. Is the last. So the positive 3 multiplying with the negative 4. And 3 times 4 is 12. A positive and a negative gives us a negative there. Alright, so that's basically, we're halfway there at the moment. The next little bit is just making sure that we are collecting all the like terms. Alright, so we have x squared. Any other x squareds? No, there's not. So then we're going to go looking for any x's. There's one there. There's also another one there. And finally, can we do another colour? Yeah, I'll just have to go with an orange squiggly. Negative 12 being its own thing also. So 6x squared, there's nothing else that's the same as that. So there's an answer there. Negative 8 plus 9. The other way to look at it is saying positive 9 minus 8 gives us 1x and minus 12. Now, because we've got 1x, we don't actually need to have the 1 there. So we can actually just get rid of that. Hang on, what's going on here? Eraser. There it is. And that is your final answer. So let's give myself a big tick, sign off with a smile.